All right, welcome back to the Creek fam. Today I'm going to do a chassis build. Reason why I want to make this a low trail. It's sitting a little too high for me. Hopefully I want to get it squatting a little bit more, and I feel like the drive shaft's binding a little bit, it being a high trail, so I want to see if that fixes it. I mean, if not, no big deal. It is what it is. At least I might be able to make it a little bit lower. I think we should be able to get it a little bit lower because it has a bunch of different spots I can hook up the suspension. You have the option to do a long chassis or the short chassis. Obviously I'm going to go with the long chassis because I have the Chevy body, of course. Alrighty, we're just going to build this real quick and then throw all these parts on. Probably going to be a long process. Here we go. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Oops. To me, that looks a lot better in the rear for sure. I did not want to cut into the body at all to make this lowered down. The only thing is, I mean, there's just like no suspension in the rear, but I think you could fix that with maybe different suspension, or I might mess around with it a little bit more. I might mess around and see if I can get it just to stand up just a touch higher maybe. But right now, I think I'm gonna rock that and see how it does. But I think it looks pretty good. Is that body leaning a little bit more? Yeah. I mean, this is the factory suspension. It's not the best, but it looks pretty good. I'll tuck those wires in a little bit better. Yeah, I just need to paint the body now. All right, I think that's it. That looks good. All right, all I'm waiting on is the servo to dry up, put that ultra black on to further waterproof it a little bit more. Not that I'm going in the water, but you know, future references, future adventures, because I like to go deep. Us creek boys. Anyways, I'm gonna go put that in, and then we'll go up to the trail in the backyard, the little course I built, to see how the suspension does for right now. But I think that's it. We'll go from there. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. What the heck that was about? Uh-oh. That rubbing is the body in the rear. Front's not rubbing. I just got to trim that up a little bit. We're good though. Trim that up a touch. I bet with some suspension it'd be a little bit better too on this side. Oh yeah. I actually don't know if this is possible or not, because this fell over. Oh. Oh gosh. Let me get over here. Oh. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Nice. Alright, I just need to trim out the fender wells over here and probably get some new suspension eventually. And this thing should be solid, but I do like it. I do like the chassis. Alrighty. That should be it. See you later, Creek Boy. Peace out.